Good day.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Elizabeth Ligutan, 47 years old. I live in Barangay Cagalo, Carigara, Leyte. I have 3 kids. I have 4 brothers and 5 sisters.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
Yes, Ma'am. I 7 years in Hong Kong.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience working as domestic helper?
I take care of the 4 kids.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
I take care of the 5 member in the family. 1 husband and wife, 3 kids, and also doing the household work like cleaning, iron, gardening, cleaning, washing, and take care of the pet.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because the high salary compared to other country.
Okay. Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, Ma'am.
What kind of food can you cook?
Like steamed fish, fried vegetable, and quick soup.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, Ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, Ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, Ma'am.
What if the baby has a fever? What will you do?
I check the temperature and I tell my employer immediately.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
I teach the good manner.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song and can you give an example?
Yes, Ma'am. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head.
Okay. So what kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding?
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
Patient, obedient, and hardworking.
Okay. Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Sir, Mom, I hope you will give me a chance to be a good helper in your family. I am responsible and hardworking. And I promise, promise I do the very best in your family. And I promise I finish my contract in 2 years with you. Thank you, Ma'am.